If you've ever wanted to use formulas in Microsoft Word, especially inside tables, this video is going to make it really easy to follow. We're going to create a simple table, add some sample numbers, and then use Word's built-in formula feature to calculate a result automatically. This is a super useful trick when you want to sum values, work out averages, or do quick calculations without leaving your document. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical Microsoft Word tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Once your document is open, go ahead and insert a table. You can do this from the Insert tab, then choose Table and add a simple table with a few rows and columns. For this example, keep it basic so it's easy to follow. Now enter some random numbers into the cells. You can put numbers like 10, 20, 30, and 40 in different cells, so we have something to calculate. The goal here is just to create a sample table that gives us something to work with. Now that your table has data in it, click inside the table. To access the formula tools, you may need to double-click on the table layout area or select the table so Word shows the table-specific options. Once the table is active, look up at the ribbon and click the Table Layout tab. This is where you'll find the tools for working with rows, columns, and calculations. Next, place your cursor in the cell where you want the formula result to appear. This is usually the cell at the end of a row or column, depending on what you want to calculate. For example, if you want to add up numbers in a row, click in the cell where you want the total to show. After that, go to the Data section at the top and click Formula. Word will open a dialog box with a default formula already filled in. In many cases, Word will suggest a formula like equals sum, open parenthesis, above close parenthesis, or something similar, depending on where your cursor is placed. If that's the calculation you want, you can leave it as it is. If you need a different formula, you can type or adjust it in the box. For example, Word can handle simple sums, averages, counts, and more. But for this tutorial, we're keeping it simple and using the default formula so you can see how the process works. Once you're happy with the formula, click OK. Word will instantly calculate the result and place it in the cell you selected. That's it. Your table now has an automatic formula result inside Microsoft Word. If you change any of the numbers later, you may need to update the field manually, but this is still a very fast and convenient way to do calculations directly in your document. This feature is especially helpful for reports, invoices, schoolwork, office documents, and anything else where you need quick table calculations without using Excel. The best part is that you don't need any extra software or complicated steps. You just create a table, enter your numbers, choose the formula, and Word does the math for you. So let's quickly recap. Open Word, create a new file, insert a table, enter your sample numbers, click inside the table, open the Table Layout tab, choose the cell where you want the answer, click Formula from the Data section, review the default formula, and then click OK. In just a few steps, you've learned how to use formulas in Microsoft Word. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.